this video, we will show how to replace the main circuit board. Using a crosshead screwdriver, loosen the two tiny screws located on both sides of the power head's front display cover. It would be best to hold on to the bottom portion of the front display cover as you loosen the second screw, as the cover will easily remove away from the power head assembly, while keeping in mind to be aware that there's a wire harness that connects the front display circuit board to the main circuit board. Carefully detach the wire harness away from the multi-pin connector on the main circuit board. This is the back side of the front display board where the wire harness connects to. This allows the front display board to communicate with the main board. Next step is to carefully disconnect the multi-pin connector located in the upper left corner, which is the meter cable connection. Then disconnect the yellow multi-pin connector that is located in the lower left corner, which is connected to the drive motor and power supply. Once they've been disconnected, you can push the four tabs that are holding the main board in position away from the circuit board, and then you'll be able to easily move the board away from the housing. Make note of the 5 magnets on the back side of the board. These magnets are strategically placed to work with the magnet holder arm that is shown here in red. During the system regeneration process, as the drive motor moves the piston assembly into position, the magnet holder aligns with a magnet on the back side of the circuit board and thus stops the drive motor at the appropriate cycle. Place the replacement main circuit board into position and snap it into place under the tabs while ensuring it is secure. Then push the yellow multi-pin connectors together on the circuit board. Note that there's only one way that the multi-pin connections can align. Same goes for when you push the white multi-pin connectors into position. Next, connect the wire harness to the display board's multi-pin connector. Be aware that there's only one way that the connectors will properly align with each other while pushing it into place. Then finally, place the front display cover back into position and using the crosshead screwdriver to place the two tiny screws back into position. You have now successfully replaced the main circuit board.
Visit us at www.CanatureWG.com.